Alright, y'all. I'm going to show you the pressing process. Uh, this is the Zen Style 12 by 10. The swing away arm. Don't mind the dirty table. But worked on a couple designs. Did a couple things. Want to press a new design on the t-shirt. As you can see, it's heating up right now. Getting it back up to about 380 degrees. And then we're going to press it for 15 seconds. So the design I'm putting on, the design I am working on is going to be the New York style skyline, which I already pressed. Came out decent. I did a little bit more of a trimming along the transfer paper, but then we're gonna add the Mosh to it. Obviously the Mosh logo is gonna be mirrored, so it's actually gonna be pressed like this, and it's gonna be this is a large font on a large men's tee. So obviously sizing would be adjusted for smaller tees, such as like a women's or like a small men's. But I'll show you how this press comes out. With the light transfer paper, it is a hot peel, so one of the challenges is getting this peeled all at once without tearing the transfer paper, without tearing the design, and doing it quick enough so that it doesn't sit too long and then it sticks to the t-shirt and fucks up the font and fucks up the transfer. One of those examples of it doing that is this. When it sticks too long and you don't peel it right away, it sticks more to the paper. It comes out all fucked up. So that was a test run. That was practice. And I'll show you how it goes in full effect. Alright guys, so I have my shirt on the press. One thing that I didn't do was press it over again to get these wrinkles out, but it should be alright. One thing I have been doing to make sure that it's even and that the design isn't crooked or sideways is I have actually been measuring from the stitching of the sleeve to the edge of the plate or the cushion, just to make sure that my placement on the plate is even, and then make sure the design comes out even. So that's one of the things I do to kind of make sure before. As you can see, this is still warming up, and it's actually ready right now. So one thing that I go through, it's kind of tedious, probably not necessary, but when you hit OK once on this transfer or on this heat press, it confirms P1 is to confirm the temperature that you want. P2 is the timing that you want. So I do it before each time just to confirm and make sure it's set at the right one. So I'll hit OK with that, confirming that. Let's see how it comes out. Also, one of the things that I've noticed with this heat press machine is that some of the ones that I looked at before is they say after 5 minutes of not being used, they automatically cool down and turn off on themselves. This, I have noticed, does not do that. It stays at the temperature. So what I do is, unless I'm pressing immediately back to back, I just turn it off immediately and unplug it. So that way it cools down right away. Now leave it over the cushion so that way nothing accidentally touches it or any mishaps. Alright y'all, so this is how it came out. Solid print, I'm gonna worry about it literally minutes off the press. You don't have to worry about it smudging, so that's solid there. I feel like it came out pretty even. That's how it looks on. Simple, but I like it. My next video is going to be based on like how I'm designing, what I'm using to design, my process and my steps there, and how I'm saving money and trying to keep costs low while I'm trying to keep this going and get this up and running until I start making some money, some real money. But see y'all next time.